Hi, in this session, you will get to know myself, that is, author of this course and this open book. My name is Aniruddha Kudalkar. I have completed bachelor's degree in the field of information and technology. I am having 12 years of experience in the full stack engineering. I have delivered many corporate trainings for MNCs, startups, and the individual professionals. I work as a freelancer and having experience in following technologies, that is MERN stack, mean stack, Java full stack, mobile application development, artificial intelligence, industry 4.0, IT and the AI ML part. I have trained many students on full stack engineering. Also, I have real-time experience in developing the full stack apps. So, you will learn something from this course, I can guarantee you. That's about myself. If you want to get connected to me on the social media, here are a few links. I'm available on YouTube, GitHub, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. You can communicate with me over here for your any queries and questions. I'm always available. I will reply you. Thank you.